guys, we've lined the pan, 2 layers of foil, wax paper, got our ribs. There's enough in here to feed 5 or 6 people. Texas BBQ sauce on them. If you're going to do it, you might as well just buy them already marinated. It's not going to cost you any more. It'll save you $5 on getting your own sauce. These guys, lay them in the pan. Once you've got them all laid in the pan, like that, grab your foil again, over the top, seal it right up. Make sure that the steam's not going to escape. Down. 1 layer is enough. If you're not sure, just put 2 layers. Okay, once you've got it covered, bang it into the oven, 110 degrees Celsius, 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Bang it in the oven for 3 hours. I'll see you in 3 hours. Guys, it's out of the oven. It's been 3.5 hours actually. We got a bit busy, didn't make it back on time. So 3.5 hours. Any more than that, they're going to start to dry out. So we'll just open this parcel up, be careful of the steam. That's what they look like after 3.5 hours. So now to finish them off, we just take them out on the barbecue, throw them on there for a little bit, give them a bit of colour each side, and bring them back in and serve them up. Okay, it's getting a bit late guys, so I've got to get this on the way. Once they're done, put them back in the liquid that they came from. That'll keep them nice and moist. Okay, once they're done guys, pick your favourite barbecue sauce. Depends how much you want. Smother it, drizzle it, whatever you want. Take a brush, paint it on. There you go, look at that. How good is it? Just like that. There it is, all done, ready to eat. Now have a go at this. Oh. Perfect. Thanks for watching. That's how we do it. Join us next time on Cooking Without a Clue. Hey guys. Whoa, what the f? I nearly flew out the window. Oh, there's one for the blooper reel.